Wood has always been more than just a material. It's a part of nature, a storyteller, and for many, a way of life. From ancient traditions to modern eco-friendly design, woodworking has carried the soul of craftsmanship through generations. But today, it's not only about preserving tradition, it's also about turning creativity into opportunity. In this video, we're exploring the world of organic wood log ideas you can make for profit. These are designs that don't just look beautiful in homes, gardens, and offices, they also connect buyers with the natural world in a way that polished, factory-made items never could, from rustic stools carved out of single logs, to elegant coffee tables. Log lamps, planters, and even decorative sculptures, you'll discover how simple pieces of wood can be transformed into high-value creations that people are willing to pay for. Whether you're a beginner trying your first woodworking project, or a skilled artisan looking for fresh inspiration, there's something here for you, and the best part? Each idea celebrates the raw beauty of organic wood. Instead of hiding knots, textures, or natural imperfections, these designs highlight them. That's what makes every piece unique, authentic, and profitable. So grab your tools, open your imagination, and let's dive into the timeless art of handmade woodworking, where every log carries potential, and every creation can become both art and income. When it comes to woodworking with organic logs, functionality is only half of the story. The other half lies in artistry, the ability to transform raw, imperfect timber into decorative creations that spark conversation and bring character into a space. Decorative and artistic log designs are where woodworking shifts from craft to creativity, allowing makers to stand out in today's growing handmade market. One of the most popular forms is the log candle holder. A simple, hollowed-out groove in a log can hold tea lights or tall candles, turning a plain piece of wood into a warm and inviting centerpiece. Buyers love these for dinner tables, outdoor patios, and cozy indoor spaces, especially during festive seasons. Another favorite is log sculptures. These can range from abstract carvings that highlight the natural grain, to figurines inspired by wildlife, or even modern minimalist designs. Because no two logs are ever alike, each sculpture is a one-of-a-kind piece, making it highly appealing for collectors and art lovers. Wall-mounted log slices have also gained global popularity. When thin sections of logs are polished and arranged in creative patterns, they can be turned into wall art panels, clocks, or even statement headboards. This trend bridges rustic charm with modern interior design, fitting perfectly in urban homes that want a touch of nature indoors, for garden and outdoor decor. Log planters bring both functionality and beauty. By hollowing out sections of a log, artisans can create natural containers for succulents, herbs, or flowers. These planters carry a rustic vibe and are highly sought after in eco-friendly and sustainable living markets. Beyond decor, many artisans experiment with hybrid designs, blending logs with glass, resin, or metal to create truly unique statement pieces. Imagine a resin-filled log with glowing LED lights, or a glass-top table where the base is sculpted from intertwined logs. These designs push woodworking into the realm of M. Once you've mastered the basics of working with organic wood logs, the next step is to explore intermediate-level creations, projects that require a bit more time, skill, and creativity, but also offer higher selling potential. These are the kinds of handmade designs that stand out at local craft fairs, online marketplaces, and eco-friendly shops. One excellent option is the log lamp. Whether it's a simple hollow log with a bulb fitted inside, or a more intricate design with carved patterns that allow the light to shine through, wooden lamps have a magical way of blending nature with warmth. Buyers are drawn to the cozy, earthy feel they bring to bedrooms, living rooms, and even office spaces. Another profitable project is the log planter. By carving or hollowing out a section of a log, you can create natural plant holders that feel organic and rustic. These are especially popular with customers who love indoor plants, balcony gardens, or sustainable living aesthetics. Adding waterproof lining or a protective finish increases both durability and value. For interior decor, log wall art is a unique and creative product. Using cross-sections of logs, artisans arrange slices into geometric patterns, abstract designs, or even mosaic-style wall hangings. These pieces can be small and simple for casual buyers, or large statement panels for high-end interior design clients. Another versatile creation is the log serving tray or platter. With a little sanding, finishing, and the addition of handles, a raw piece of wood becomes a rustic yet elegant tray. These are functional, visually striking, and perfect for entertaining, making them highly attractive to buyers who love handcrafted kitchenware. Log clocks are also trending in global markets. Using either a solid log slice or a collection of smaller discs, artisans add clock mechanisms to create timepieces that combine practicality with natural design. These items often sell well online as gifts, especially for housewarming. Handmade woodworking isn't just about creativity, it can also become a steady and rewarding business when approached the right way. To succeed in selling organic wood log creations, you'll need to balance artistry with strategy. Here are some essential tips for profitability that every craft seller should keep in mind. First, start with small and affordable items. Products like candle holders, coasters, and planters are great entry points for buyers. They require less material, less time to produce, and are easy impulse purchases at craft fairs or online shops. Small products help you build customer trust and a recognizable brand before moving into larger, higher-priced items. Second, always add value through finishing. A smooth surface, a touch of natural oil, or a protective coating can transform a simple log into a polished, professional product. Buyers will pay more for pieces that look refined, durable, and ready to use in their homes. Third, tell the story of your wood. People don't just buy decor, they buy meaning. Let them know if the wood came from reclaimed timber, storm-fallen trees, or sustainable sources. Sharing the natural journey of your materials makes your creations feel authentic and eco-conscious, which is a powerful selling point. Next, diversify your price range. Have budget-friendly items for casual buyers, mid-range products like lamps and trays for home decorators, and high-ticket items like tables or benches for serious collectors. This way, you appeal to a wider audience while ensuring consistent sales. Another crucial step is photography. In today's digital age, how your product looks online is as important as the product itself. Invest in good lighting and clean backgrounds so that your creations stand out on platforms like Etsy, Instagram, or your own website. Finally, listen to your customers. Craft fairs, online reviews, and social media feedback will tell you which designs resonate most. Use this information to refine your collect.